Thanks for checking back in. Here for an update. Not a big update, but it is an update. The engine is at the dealership, and some of the parts that were postponed or delayed until almost February, or I'm sorry, almost March, actually were on the engine. So we don't have near as many parts as we're waiting on anymore. We're actually just waiting on 2 parts, and one of those parts was supposed to have come off of back order on the 4th, so hopefully we'll have that this week. There is one other part, which I believe is just a gasket, that is still on back order. We're hoping that maybe within a week, within maybe this week, the part comes off back order. So realistically, we're looking probably end of January. I don't think we're going to be going to March like initially anticipated, but I also don't think that we're going to be able to do the lemon law deal, because as of right now, it's looking like maybe just 2 months at the dealer. I don't think we're going to hit that 3-month mark, but you never know. There could be that last gasket could be a while. The Ford rep that I'm working with, he is going to try and expedite the process. So if that last gasket isn't coming off back order, maybe we can get it pulled from the manufacturing floor. I'm not sure, but we're still waiting. The Bronco still has a paper plate on it. Got nothing to do with it. But we need to keep pushing. The dealership is working on for us. And Ford has been gracious, I guess, but we're looking at probably maybe another month. Yesterday marked actually 1 month. Today, I guess, because it quit on us late on the 8th. So the 9th was the first day that we didn't have it. So we're a month in, and we've probably got another month to go, based on this one last gasket still being on back order. So it's not really the update that I wanted to put out, but it's still better than nothing. We have the engine, and we have what sounds like 95% of the parts to get it installed, but we still don't have all the parts. So this is the update for you guys. Hopefully it's enough to get you through. It's not really enough to get us through, but it's what we've got. So there it is. All right, so yeah, that's it. Maybe next week, or maybe maybe next week we've got all the parts, they're doing assembly, and we're going to pick it up. We'll see. Only time will tell. See you guys on the next one.